Do you have questions about your federal retirement benefits? Or maybe you don't even know what questions to ask. Grigger's Wealth Management works with ProFeds as a resource for federal employees by sponsoring a free informational seminar. At this event, you will learn about the federal employees' retirement system, its many features, and how to use them to your benefit. Federal Employees Group Life Insurance, the Special Retirement Supplement, Thrift Savings Plan, long-term care, and the early out options. Grigger's Wealth Management strives to be a resource for the community we serve. You don't have to be our client to attend, and there's no commitment required. We want you to understand your federal benefits and know your options. You will leave the seminar with the information you need to help make you more informed decisions about benefits available to you as a federal employee. All attendees have the opportunity to receive a free, personalized benefits report. If you choose, our advisors can work with you to create a plan to help you pursue your retirement goals. Register for the free seminar by going to fedimpact.com.